Prep Test 63, game number 4, question 21 asks us, which of the following must be true? So in a question like this, one answer choice must be true, and 4 answer choices could be false. And frequently, the best way to solve one of these questions is to go looking for the 4 that could be false. Okay, so let's start right off the bat with A. Let's try to prove that A could be false, that there is a green ball lower than 4. If I want to prove that false, I'm going to make sure there's no green ball lower than 4. So let's start with our first green in box 4. If our first green is there, then our first red can't come until 5. We need at least 2 reds, so there they are. And all that's left to go in spaces 1, 2, and 3 is white, and we can't have more white than red, so that doesn't work. Thus, it must be true that there's a green ball somewhere over here in the first 3. So that looks like that's our right answer already, and we can feel pretty good about that, but let's just make sure that these other 4 answers could be false. So B, there's a green ball higher than 4. Let's try to prove that false. Let's put a green ball down here in 1. We can even put another one here in 3 and leave the rest of these red. We've followed all our rules. There are no green balls higher than 4, so it's true that, this could be false. What about C? There's a red lower than 4. Let's prove that wrong by putting no reds lower than 4. And actually, you notice, we already did that right here. So this could be false. What about D? There's a red higher than 4. Let's see if we can get away with putting no red balls higher than 4. So what if we did green, white, red, red, green, green. Excuse me, shouldn't have done that. Let's just switch these 2 around. Let's say that this first spot is going to be white, because otherwise I'm breaking a rule. Second spot is green. So now we are following all of our rules, and we have no red balls higher than 4. So this could be false. And finally, answer choice E, there is a white lower than 4. If we want to prove that false, let's have no whites lower than 4. So we'll put our first white at 4, follow it with a green, put a green down here, a couple reds, and this could be red or green, doesn't matter. We followed all our rules and shown that this could be false. So there we go. A remains the correct answer.